I'm going to be covering the differences between Modelspace and Paperspace. I've got a demonstration with Modelspace to explain to you how it works. As we can see here, we've got our Paperspace in the purple colour. Below this, we've got our Modelspace in the white colour, as you can see here. Now if we go to a top view, you can see we've got our Paperspace here. And our Paperspace is typically used for presenting your work or your drawings within AutoCAD. Below, we've got our model here, and what we use to show this model is a viewport, as you can see here. So a viewport is almost like your window into your model. So if I pivot around, as you can see, the model is below, and the viewport is like a direct window into Modelspace. So the viewport is almost like a translator. It translates the view from Modelspace into Paperspace. And within your viewport, you have different scales. As you can see here, it's orange. Back to the side view. As you can see, your Modelspace is always bigger than your Paperspace. These orange lines will zoom in and out depending on the scale that you set. So basically, what would happen is your model's getting further away or closer depending on the scale of your viewport. And within Modelspace, this is where your 3D modeling is done, or this is where your 2D drawing is done. It's where the bulk of your drawing is created. It's almost like a separate area, as you can see below in this white area here. So this is where I'd create my objects. For example, as you can see, I've got a 3D cube here. It's got different views on it, and I can alter the views within my viewport, so I can change the different views that I see. So say I wanted to change to a right view, I could do that within my viewport. I can alter it depending on what I want to see. So Paperspace is more used for your presenting and showing of information. So it's more used to kind of get all the information that you want onto a paper. And I'm going to do this right now. So there's our 3D example. And I'm going to go to my page. As you can see, it's got layouts here. And this is my page, as you can see. As I said before, it's a window into what's going on within my Modelspace. So I could put top view like this. And I can zoom in and out. And as I zoom in and out, I'm changing the scale, like I mentioned earlier. To do that, I'm using a viewport myself. So this is where I would add my text, for example. So let's say I want to zoom in just to show my boxing. I could do that, and I could add my text. Text, and I can just present my information nicely and change how it's seen on the page with my viewport. Also select different views like I mentioned earlier. Change the scale once again. So as you can see, the Paperspace is more for presenting the information within Modelspace. Click down below here. Modelspace is for your kind of curation, your drawings, your models, basically anything that you're making in CAD goes within your Modelspace. Hopefully this kind of breaks down the two worlds of Paperspace and Modelspace. Hopefully you understand it a bit more clearer. Please let me know in the comment section down below of any CAD related topics you want me to cover moving forward.